So you know to so
You don't teach me my work.
okay, so
You will do
you
it.
will
You will do your own work.
you will also you will only explain this project work. Okay.
Now switch.
So now we are free. She will do all the work.
Okay. And would you also like to use some direct question here or impolite manner of speaking here?
I think you are in the favor of project. You will do.
No, I am not in favor. She is already accepting that she will do all the work. So why should
I have already did my work. Okay. Shruti also wants to speak something.
You did any work?
Let us
Regarding
speak.
the-
Gaurav.
What you have done?
Today I am having another one. I will do
What is the
by
project?
tomorrow.
Shruti, just like say it loudly. You have to interfere, na? Because we are doing it in impolite manner. Just interfere. Speak it loudly. People are not speaking.
Today I am having another work. We will
Okay,
do it
listen.
later.
Okay, listen.
Okay. Yes. Please continue. Continue.
We will do it later or tomorrow. By tomorrow.
Good.
All right. Are you? Would you like to add something to this?
I don't understand that.
Okay. You didn't get it.
No, this is.
What she said.
Yeah.
She said that she will do this work by tomorrow.
Yeah, she just procrastinated the work. You have to add something. You make it more impolite. We are like making impolite situation here. You can say, yeah, we will do it tomorrow. Something like that.
Gaurav, but we have to do this project.
I did not have importance of this work.
Okay.
Is
Okay.
finished discussion maybe? Should you go?
Yeah, she will do the work. But you are in team now. So you have to act like that. Okay, so now let's do it in polite manner. Okay. So that was impolite. Now do it in polite manner. How would you ask your teammates to do the work? Start.
Gaurav, could you see the mail? Could you see the mail? Have you
Could
seen
you
the
check
mail?
the mail? Could you check the mail?
Have you checked the mail?
Yes, I seen the mail, but I did not understand what he is what we do.
You have to revert on the mail. No?
Sometimes
I'm
I
not
did.
understanding that. Can you provide the training or all these things?
So I think if we have any doubt, so we have to go to our boss. So what is the project about? So we can have some understanding of that, so that we can plan our work accordingly.
Actually, I think that this mail is done by
mail is about
to all of our
sales
team
and
members. So I think that all the team members should be discussed before.
Should be the part of discussion. So
Yeah, Shruti was saying something.
The mail is about how we can increase our sale in this month.
Yeah,
Okay, so-
it's about sales.
so what is your opinion? What we should do?
So sale this month, right?
Okay.
We have to project on
You
this.
understand what the project is?
The project is about how can we increase in sale and how we can maximize the sale and earn more and more profit this month.
Although you are clear about our project, but still I think that we have to go to the boss, so that we have a clear picture that
Yes,
what
sir.
we have to actually do.
Just first, we have to have one opinion about that. How can we have one idea that how can we increase sale? Then we can go to him and tell him about our ideas, and then we will make a decision.
Actually, from my view, if we understand from my boss what they want, so it will be that more beneficial to us.
Yes, I am agreed with you. So we
Yes,
should.
I agree with you. Yes, I agree.
I agree with you. So definitely we should go to our boss. So anyone anyone have any doubt or
Any suggestion?
any suggestion regarding
share
this?
it here.
Please share.
Yes, so please speak up.
The project and provide the deadline.
Deadline.
And that's it. I think so.
Yes. So
If you have, then share it.
Yes.
so she is right. I think she is right. So we have to go.
Okay, I
to the boss.
agree with you all. So, so whatever you have already discussed, let's go to the boss and tell him that we all are ready to do this project and we need a training for our our project on time.
The project, why do this? Why do
It's about project. You have to just suggest something. Like how can we improve the project? Something like that.
okay. Can you see the boss or completed another thing in the project?
Okay, so you want to see the boss to complete the project?
Yes.
Okay, and would you like to ask some suggestion to him? Then you would like to ask him for some suggestion. So would you like to meet the boss?
Like the boss?
I said you want to meet the boss.
Yes.
So like it is like a group project, right? So you all are not able to do it. So you want to meet the boss?
Yeah. So and the groups, we have finished the project, no?
Yes, you haven't.
You haven't.
No,
No.
you haven't finished it.
Okay. So we rectified the time. Rectify the project. So we represent with the boss.
Okay. Now,
Okay, so let's make a common time to meet our boss and let's plan all the activities.
But before I want to share my point. Before go to the boss, we should work little work on that project. So do some analysis parts, or you should get the how the sale is increases. So you have basic ideas.
So we have to check that why our sale is decreasing, like it is about quality, because of quality or price or about anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we should
We
have
should
some.
prepare a proper presentation. We should prepare a proper presentation for our
Some
upcoming
common,
project.
some common
And
points.
We collectively use it. And we collectively use it or use it, yes,
for a group project.
for our group project.
So it is conclude that we have some basics,
We have to analyze
basics
some
points
points.
within the team, and that point should be discussed with the boss and take opinion of him. If they want to convey their some other way, so he will be inform us. That is.
All right. So my question here is now. So what's the difference between now direct and indirect questions and impolite and polite manner of speaking? So you people did role play, right? First you did direct question and impolite way of speaking. So how was your experience? What did you learn?
Actually, in impolite manner, when we are
A
talking,
bit louder.
so earlier when we were discussing in impolite manner, so we are not able to listen the perspective of others, and we are not understanding the thoughts of others. So we are not coming to the conclusion.
Yes.
So, and when we come to the polite manner, so we all know the thoughts of team members and also knows their perspective and their interest, that what they want to ask from our boss. So now we are able to conclude that what we have to do and what should what we should do with how should how should we plan our work and how should we complete our project. So we have some points with us to discuss with our boss, and we are to the means
So we can now
we can now discuss with our boss and
boss.
complete our project.
Anybody else?
proper in polite way. So everyone seems like that everyone is not a team. Everyone is doing
Individual.
doing individual. So, but if you are in a polite way, so everything is in a united manner. So everything listen in a right way, right directions. All work are in progress way. So that is from my side.
Okay. Anybody else?
Earlier when we discussing in impolite manner, it seems to be very disrespectful we are to each other. When we are talking in a polite manner, it seems that we are very respectful to the other persons and we encourage the thoughts of the others, and it makes us it gives us the better understanding of our thoughts and the proper and by by taking the reviews from the others, we
Feedback.
feedback by taking the feedback from the others, we can change our thoughts for our regarding our projects, and we can then go to the boss and say that we all make this project.
Because it is a teamwork, right? What? Anybody
It
else?
shows a teamwork.
Yes. Anybody else? Shalini, what was your understanding?
Same.
You have to tell.
If we don't listen to what the boss is raising the questions, and we are replying as a very impolite way, we are working on, we are busy in on work, daily work, and we don't have time to complete this work. It's a bad impression, and we don't complete. If we don't complete, assign that work. If we decided to do this work as a group, and we listen group person people perspective, then it's easy to complete as a united group team.
Alright. Shruti, what was your take on it?
I think polite manner is better because in polite manner everyone gets familiar and avoid each other and does not focus on work. And so in polite manner, everyone in cooperation, polite manner is important because when we talk in polite manner, then it feels good and respectful, and no one gets very familiar and ignore to each other.
So it is very important to have polite manner of speaking in corporate world. That's what you are saying, right? Okay. Ayush, what was your take on it?
The college, it is very important in life because it gives something about the college. So if you live with the college, you get another wife. So your polite he give you and another wife for going where you have and respecters another people. It is very important. Live without polite. It is very so. It is no without live. It is impolite. it is very bad because you don't respect another
We
person.
don't respect.
You don't respect that person,
Mhm.
and many people you hate you. So I
So
think
many people hate you because you speak impolitely.
yeah.
Okay.
So I think the quality is very important.
Yes, and speaking politely also, if you're a respected person in the society. So what's wrong in speaking politely, right? Yes. So this is actually correct. And in corporate world, we need to speak in polite manner because this is what expected from you, right? You have to maintain the professionalism. Even if there is somebody who is speaking very impolitely to you, you have to maintain that professionalism and you have to speak politely to them, right? So that's what. Okay. So if we talk about direct and indirect question, okay? So when we ask direct questions,